In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kanban in ClickUp. If you're new to Kanban or simply looking to optimize your workflow within ClickUp, you're in the right place. Now, let's dive right in. First, you need to access ClickUp. So go ahead and open your web browser and navigate to the ClickUp website. Log into your account as you normally would. If you've yet to create an account, setting one up is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to get started. Once you're in ClickUp, the next step is to navigate to the specific area where you'd like to manage your tasks. This is typically done by clicking on a specific space or list that you've already created. Think of these as the containers that hold your tasks related to a certain project or area of work. Choosing the right space or list is crucial because this is where you'll apply the Kanban view for better task management. Let's say you've chosen your desired space or list. It's time now to click on the View button. This option allows you to customize how you see your tasks. The View button is typically found at the top of your screen once you're inside a space or a list. This functionality is one of the features that make ClickUp versatile, as it lets you tailor your workspace to better suit your workflow. After clicking on View, you will be presented with several options. To use Kanban, you'll need to select the Board Kanban view. This layout transforms your tasks into a board view, where you can easily move tasks between columns, usually labeled To Do, In Progress, and Done. Clicking on Board Kanban simplifies task management by providing you with a clear, visual overview of where each task stands. Switching to this view isn't just about having a tidy interface, it's about boosting productivity by visually tracking progress and quickly identifying bottlenecks. With the Kanban board active, you can now drag and drop tasks between columns according to their current status. This dynamic feature helps in prioritizing tasks effectively and ensures that everyone involved in the project is literally on the same page. There you have it. You've set up and switched to a Kanban view in ClickUp. This setup not only offers a streamlined approach to handling tasks, but also fosters collaboration and transparency within teams. Remember, the flexibility of this tool is one of its greatest strengths, as you can always customize labels or add new columns to fit your workflow more precisely. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tips, and if you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to drop a comment below. See you in the next video.